All right. Oh, okay. All right. All right.
It's gonna be an hour of this. Oh my Lanta!
Welcome back to Get Lowered Cycles. Today, we got the 08 Road King back on the lift, and we got some goodies going on, like new suspension. We got the exhaust off. We're putting a Baja Designs headlight in. We got my main man, Eric, helping today. Say what's up, man.
What's up, man?
Anywho, you guys are gonna come along for the shenanigans. We're gonna get working on this bike. Stay tuned. As we get back into this 08 Road King build, baby, we have decided that we are going to put some new suspension on this bad girl. Why don't you tell them what suspension we're ripping?
Yeah, so we're starting out the back here. Kind of doing the easy side first. These ones, 4 bolts. We got our new suspension on, pretty easy setup. Front a little different, but for the rear, some tasty RWDV twin shocks going on. They should be sweet. They should be sweet. Show the people.
I'm in.
Get on up in.
Go on.
All right, so we're just getting the tire just to barely touch the lift here. That way we can take these old shocks off. These old air shocks. We'll get that new one set up. Get them on.
All right, so we're gonna be double teaming this bike. I'll just play it. We're getting the old shocks off, baby, the old air ride. Just like that, the old girls are off.
Got our shocks. Now, we do get a little bit of Loctite on there, and we do put on the proper spacers that are included with the kit. So slide one of them in, whoops, grab another, get that on the other side, get these kind of started. And then because these are bigger shocks, as you can see here, we need to get that to line up there. So, if I could have an assistant.
I can help.
Get on over there, and lift this lift up, will you? Going up, up please. Get one in, get your collars, right to the bike. We gotta get these airlines out of there.
Yeah, that would look a lot better, for sure.
I'd say so. Kind sir, can you lower that a little bit?
Now you want me to lower it, huh? I can do that for you, only because you asked so nicely.
That's right, lower it. That side to compress. Oh my God, dude, are you kidding me right now?
Looks so much better.
Oh my Lanta! So, for these old scalawags, here in our setup instructions.
It's installation instructions.
Here in the installation guide. If you reference the installation guide, you'll see our suggested sag here is 1/2 inch to 7/8 inch. So all we gotta do to kind of get to that is crank down on the springs. You'll take the weight off the bike, either get off the bike.
Get off it.
Or put it on a stand. Preferably put it on a stand.
Or put it on a stand.
I would say put it on a stand.
So put it on a stand.
You know, for a standard Type E, that's where we like it to be. All right, so once we got the springs kind of in their right position where they need to be, we've checked our sag measurement. We can now lock it down with the lock ring.
Lock ring, baby.
Gotta lock them down. So we'll just take that. Come on.
So now we're gonna get these levers taken care of and get some new ones on that look way better. Go on.
Look at that, we got one of those deals. Let's get those nice ones up in here, huh?
And just like that, we got the new clutch lever and brake lever on from one finger, and they are absolutely looking beautiful on this bike. Look at this thing. My Lord. Definitely is completing the vibe of this bike.
Would you look at that? That's the thing of beauty, folks. I like it. All right, so we got our rear suspension on, all set up. Gonna be turning back to the front end of the bike now, attacking the headlight. So, a couple different things we gotta do for this. We're getting the Baja in there. We gotta run our harness, so tank's gotta come off. We can continue with the process. Oh my, this hasn't been off since 08. Like, probably for real. Hasn't been off since 08.
But you can't be saying that for every single piece on here, man.
Pretty easy. All right, let's get this tank. We got all the hardware out. We got the plugs undone. A little bit more involved. Let's get involved. Dude, how much gas you have in this thing? It's full. Dude, she is clean. Goodness. Dust from 08. Now we'll get this cover off so we can run our harness in there. And yeah. So we've got our LP6 harness here. We're just feeding it through the front of the bike, in through this front headlight housing here, back, along with the rest of the wiring. Get that tucked in there nice. And then we'll be back at the battery. This isn't kind of final resting spot, but just kind of general. Get it in there, tuck it nice, and we keep rolling. And there you have it. Baja light is installed into the King here. We did skip through some of the boring stuff on getting it into the bracket, getting it into the housing. Super simple kits if you follow the instructions. Pretty well plug and play. Just about anyone can get these kits installed. Really, really good upgrade for the bike. Right now we do have it sitting in just a bit of a park mode with the amber backlight on. Super cool look for when you're just sitting still, but these are a super, super bright light when you do kick the bike on. And check this thing out. This thing is coming together fantastically. From all the big chrome up front, the beautiful pearl, this thing is looking dialed. We did get those RWD shocks on the rear. We did do Race Techs up front with their gold valve emulator kit, the 1-finger levers up at the bars, and of course that big, beautiful Baja Designs light up front with the alloy art turn signals. Now stay tuned, because there is much more coming for this bike. We are not done with it yet. A few more things that we are going to be doing. If you do have any questions about anything that you saw on today's video, or anything else you see on getlowered.com, do not hesitate to hit us up with any questions you might have. We're here to help you get the right parts for your ride.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.